Welcome back, Cumbrian Homestead. It's 31st of May and Kermit's in full flow. Yeah, so I just pulled this is the first sowing of spinach, and if we just pull one up there, you can see that the the seed head, oh, the camera's not brilliant, but yeah, they just bolted, which is normal, especially in these warm temperatures. But I'm not upset about that. We've had tons and tons of pickings off it, and in fact there's some new spinach just coming through, along with some multi-sown beetroot. This one here is spring onions, but nothing showing on that one yet. Here we've got little gem cos lettuce, so I'll probably plant some of them in there. This is primo ballhead summer cabbage, and they're supposed to be spring onion, but they don't look like spring onion, so I don't know what's going on there. Although I can just see something there looks like spring onion. Maybe they're volunteers. So this is where I've removed the spinach, like I say, so I can easily fill this bed up. It won't be empty for so long, so you know, kind of beetroot, spinach, spring onion, that sort of thing. I'll fill that back up, and the Lolo Rosso are just romping along. In fact, you know, I need to do some more picking there. These are the Douce Provence. They've gone beyond my expectations, really. I didn't think they'd grow as tall as that. I'm not. It must be at least 30 inches, I guess. But I don't know if you can see, we still had to net them because as soon as we pull the net off, the sparrows just go bonkers for them. But I'm hoping you can make that out. There are loads of pods, so I'm guessing maybe 2 weeks we should be picking those. And I've just watered and fed these blueberry bushes. You can see berries forming nicely now. I feed it with an ericaceous liquid feed about once a fortnight, and then looking down the asparagus bed, I'm just waiting for the sun to go off that bit there, and I'll do these pongo beans as well. I've left them for about 3 days with the idea that just to stress them a little bit, to encourage them to get the roots down a bit into the ground. Then they're a little bit more self-reliant, but I will water them tonight. And looking at this bed of shallots, I don't know if you can make that out. They're just sort of starting to fade a little bit now, starting to go yellow, so they've obviously reached the zenith, and just slightly starting to die back, but that's fine, that's how it should be. So I'm not sure, but I guess maybe 3 weeks, 4 weeks I'll be lifting those, and then this bed will need topping up with topsoil, and then I think brassicas will be going in there. Actually, I'd forgotten, talking about the spinach, this was a later sowing, and actually I need to pick that as well, so that might keep us going another couple of weeks. And also this chard here, there's about 6 plants of it, so we need to start harvesting that as well. So guys, I'm back again. It's about 8:30 in the evening. If I just pan up here, you can see the sun's actually gone off the greenhouse now. That is a reflection in somebody's window over the road there. So the sun's totally off our garden now, and any minute now the irrigation system should come on. But let's just have a look at those roses there for a sec. I'm so glad we kept that little bit, because they're just beautiful, they really are. And because, I don't know if you can make it out, but underneath you can just see kind of, there's some membrane down, and then we put bark mulch, and so to be honest, I don't think we hardly ever water them at all. But they are superb. Here we go, guys. Just come on now. It's about 7:45. Now the pressure obviously has been reduced because, as you can see, and what we can make that out, I've got the sprinkler going as well. So obviously, you know, it's got to feed that and the drippers in here. And if I just pull this camera up a wee bit, I adjusted it yesterday, so it would go sort of like, I'm going to say, further toward the end of the beds. It wasn't just quite reaching the end, but it is now, as you can see. If you can see that black patch there, that's where the water's reaching, so it's reaching way beyond actually. It's just not doing the width, so the asparagus, if I just move again, sorry about that, but if you can see, it's just not quite, it's sort of reaching the ends of the beds, but it's not touching the borders on each side. So we've got courgettes over there, and we've got the French bit, the pongo beans and the asparagus here, but I mean, that's not bad. If all we've got to do manually is water, you know, while we're away, that is water this bit and that bit, and actually mother-in-law can do that for us at the moment. So it's great, because I mean, we're not in a position at the moment to sort of be going away for, you know, like a month or something. We're just going, you know, maybe a week, so everything should be fine. But I'm really made up with this. And like I say, there's always time to make some adjustments, but mostly everything seems to be like that one, for example. Maybe just move that slightly over there. But everything seems to be getting watered, and this will be on for an hour, so it really will, you know, as I say, the sun's gone off, so it's a good time to get it done. So okay guys, I just wanted to show you that. Catch you later.